Hi, I'm Zach, co-founder and CEO of JigSpace, 3D presentations for teams with big ideas. Making a presentation that is compelling and impactful is difficult to do, and it takes time. Today I'm going to give you a preview of a new feature we're releasing that will supercharge the way you communicate. We call it Spark. Here's an advanced EV loaded with sophisticated features. Explaining its value is a challenge. With our upcoming feature, you're able to select your CAD file, add in a link to the product website, and with the click of a button, our AI quickly generates an interactive 3D jig detailing every feature of this vehicle. You can also customize it, add insights, highlight features, all using plain English. Then bring it to life with augmented reality. You can see it at real-world scale, understand it in its context, and get to that aha moment quicker. With this incredible new tool, we're helping you make the hard to explain, hard to forget. Stay tuned for the future of product presentations.